Captain Spaulding here with another tabletop review. Today we've got one of my newest keychain goodies, the Leatherman Style PS. This is a TSA Approved little unit. It's not very big. It clips on my keychain, stays on there, never falls off. There's your bottle opener. The one thing about this that's nice, besides it being TSA Approved, there's no blade on it, with the exception of the scissors. The pliers are spring actuated, so they go back on their own. Really nice. All the tools are on the outside, with the exception of the pliers, so they're easily accessible. I'll show you exactly what we got here. Got a nail file, which is actually really nice. Slot screwdriver at the end of that. On the other side, if I can get them out with one hand here, switch hands. There we go. Scissors. And they work really nice. They're extremely sharp. Leatherman doesn't mess around with their scissors. And right here, I probably can't get it out with my one finger, is tweezers. So that's it. Leatherman Style PS. Awesome little multi-tool for your keychain, your keyring, your pocket. It's so small it doesn't take up nothing, and it's TSA approved. So check them out.